Hello, this is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and today we're going to take a look at positioning strategies. Let's get started. In today's hyper-competitive marketplace, standing out from the crowd is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Consumers are constantly bombarded with messages from a multitude of brands across various channels, leading to information overload and making it incredibly difficult to capture their attention. This constant battle for attention requires brands to go beyond simply having a good product or service. They must differentiate themselves meaningfully, crafting unique and compelling brand stories that resonate with their target audience. The rise of informed customers with access to abundant information and the ability to ease compare options further emphasize the need for strong positioning. By understanding the challenges and leveraging effective positioning strategies, brands can cut through the noise, build strong brand equity, and ultimately achieve sustainable success in the marketplace. Here are all the modules which will be covered. By the end of the course, you will be able to analyze competitive landscapes and identify key competitors, understand the core concepts of marketing segmentation, targeting, and positioning, understand and apply different positioning strategies, example by attribute, by benefits, by use, by user, by competitor, create unique selling propositions and point of differentiation, apply positioning principles to real-world marketing challenges. Positioning in marketing is the process of creating a unique and compelling place for your brand in the minds of your target audience. It's about defining what your brand stands for, how it differs from the competitors, and why consumers should choose you over others. Essentially, it's about creating a distinct image or identity for your brand that resonates with your ideal customers. Positioning is absolutely vital for marketing success. Here's why. Differentiation. In a crowded market, positioning helps your brand stand out. It allows you to carve a unique niche and differentiate yourself from competitors, making you more memorable and appealing to your target audience. Customer focus. Effective positioning requires a deep understanding of your target audience's needs, desires, and pain points. This customer centric approach ensures your marketing efforts are relevant and resonate with the right people. Brand loyalty. When customers understand what your brand represents and how it uniquely addresses their needs, they are more likely to become loyal customers. Strong positioning fosters trust and build long-term relationships. Increased market share. By effectively communicating a unique value proposition, you can attract new customers and increase your market share. Improved marketing ROI. When your brand is clearly positioned, your marketing efforts become more targeted and efficient. You can allocate resources effectively and measure the impact of your campaigns more accurately. Pricing power. A strong brand positioning can allow you to command a premium price for your products or services. Customers are willing to pay more for a brand that offers unique value and meets their specific needs. Now let's take a look at positioning and differentiation. Differentiation focuses on the what, the specific features, attributes, or the characteristics that makes your product or service unique. Example, using organic ingredients, product feature, offering 24/7 customer support, service quality, creating a luxurious brand experience, customer experience. Positioning focuses on the how you communicate those unique aspects to your target audience and how you want them to perceive your brand. Example, positioning your brand as the most eco-friendly choice, positioning your brand as the most reliable and trustworthy option, positioning a brand as a preferred choice for a specific lifestyle, example, luxury living. Essentially, the key differences between positioning and differentiation are differentiation focuses on the product or service itself, while positioning focuses on how the product or service is perceived by the customer. Differentiation creates the foundation, whereas positioning builds upon the foundation to create a compelling brand image. Now we're going to take a look at market analysis and competitive intelligence. Market analysis and competitive intelligence involve systematically gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about your target market and the competitive landscape. This crucial process provides a deep understanding of industry trends, customer needs, and competitive activities. enabling businesses to make informed strategic decisions, identifying opportunities, and gain a competitive edge. Key components for market analysis and competitive intelligence are market segmentation and targeting. Market segmentation. Imagine dividing the entire population into smaller groups with similar needs and characteristics, like dividing a city into different neighborhoods. This helps you focus your efforts on the most promising groups. Targeting. Once you identify these groups, you choose the specific group you want to focus on or your target audience. Competitive analysis framework. Porter 5 forces. This framework helps analyze the competitive intensity and attractiveness of the industry by examining factors such as threats of new entrants, bargaining power of buyers and suppliers, competitive rivalry, and threats of suitable products. SWOT analysis. This classic tool helps you assess your organization's internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. Identifying key competitors and their positioning strategies. Competitive mapping. It's like creating a visual map of your competitive landscape. It helps you understand how your brand and your competitors position themselves in the market. Competitive intelligence. This systematic process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about your competitors, customers, and the broader market environment is known as competitive intelligence. Competitive advantage analysis. Cost leadership. Understanding how to achieve a competitive advantage by offering the lowest cost in the industry. Differentiation. Exploring how to create a unique and valuable position in the market that distinguishes your brand from competitors. Focus. Understanding how to target a specific niche market with specialized product or services. Customer needs and wants analysis. Market research techniques. The methods used to gather information about your target market customers and the competitive landscape. They are crucial for understanding customer needs, preferences, and behaviors, and for making informed business decisions. Customer journey mapping. Understanding customers' experience at each stage of buying process to identify areas for improvement. Now we can take a look at value propositions. A value proposition is the core message that explains why a customer should choose your product or service over competitors. It's a concise and compelling statement that highlights the unique benefits customers will receive addressing their needs and desires. Essentially, it answers the crucial question, why should I buy from you? A strong value proposition focuses on customer benefits, clearly differentiates your offering from the competition, and is concise and easy to understand. Key factors for value propositioning are defining value and customer perceived value. Value. This goes beyond just pricing. It's about the overall package of benefits customers receive, including quality, features, convenience, and the emotional satisfaction they get from using your product or service. Customer perceived value. This is how customers interpret the value you offer. It's a subjective assessment on what they gain versus what they give time, money, effort to acquire your product or service. Creating compelling value propositions. Identifying key benefits. What problems do you solve for customers? What needs do you fulfill? You need to pinpoint the most compelling benefits that resonate with your target audience. Quantify values. Whenever possible, try to put a number on the value you offer. This could be cost savings, increased efficiency, or improved results. Crafting clear and concise statements. Your value propositions should be clear and concise statements that summarizes the unique benefits you offer. It should be easy for the customers to understand and remember. Communicating value to target audiences. Value-based messaging. All your marketing efforts should emphasize the value you provide. This includes your website copy, advertising, social media posts, and sales pitches. Customer-centric communication. Tailor your messages to resonate with the specific needs and preferences of your target audience. Speak their language and address their pain points. Value proposition canvases. Value proposition canvas. This is a visual tool that helps you align your product or service with customer needs. It maps out customer jobs, pains, and gains, and then helps you identify how your offering address their pain points. Let's see differentiation and unique selling propositions now. Differentiation is the act of making your product or service stand out from the competition. It's about identifying and emphasizing the unique features, benefits, or characteristics that sets you apart. Unique selling proposition or USP is a concise statement that highlights the single most important benefit that makes your product or service unique and superior to the competition. It's the core reason why a customer should choose you over others. Sources of differentiation. Product features. Unique features, innovative technology, superior quality, improved performance, etc. Service quality. Excellent customer service, personalized experience, convenient delivery, easy returns, etc. Customer experience. Creating a unique and memorable brand experience, fostering strong customer relationships, building a loyal community, etc. Brand image. Developing a strong and distinct brand image, creating emotional connections with customers, building a reputation for quality and trust, etc. Developing unique selling propositions. Identifying key differentiators. Pinpointing the unique features, benefits, or aspects of your brand that sets you apart from the competition. Crafting compelling USPs. Developing concise and memorable statements that highlight your unique selling points. Testing and refining USPs. Testing your USPs with target audiences to ensure they resonate and are effective. Communicating USPs effectively. Integrating USPs into all marketing and sales messages from websites, copies to advertising campaigns. Communicating USPs effectively. Clear and concise messaging. Ensure your USPs are clear and concisely communicated to your target audience. Consistent messaging. Maintain a consistent messaging across all channels to enforce your brand identity and USPs. Proof of concept. Providing evidence and proof points to support your USPs and build credibility within customers. Building brand stories. Weaving USPs into compelling brand stories that resonate with your target audience on an emotional level. Now we're going to take a look at positioning strategies. Positioning strategies are the deliberate approaches used to create a unique and desirable place for your brand in the minds of your target audience. They involve carefully selecting and emphasizing special aspects of your product or services to differentiate from the competitors and establish a strong brand identity. These strategies may focus on highlighting unique product attributes, emphasizing key customer benefits, targeting specific user groups, or positioning the brand relative to competitors. Let's see different type of positioning strategies. Positioning by attribute. Highlighting the specific product features or attributes that differentiates your brand. Example, the most durable, the most technologically advanced, the highest quality, the most environmentally friendly, and so on. Positioning by benefits. Emphasizing the key benefits that customers derive from using your product or service. Say, example, save your time, improve your health, increase your productivity, reduce your stress, etc. Another instance of positioning by benefits can be defining specific usage occasions or applications for your product or service. Example, the perfect beer for summer barbecues, the ideal coffee for the morning pickup time, the best software for product management, and so forth. Positioning by users. Targeting a specific group of users or a particular lifestyle. The luxury car for discerning peoples, the athletic shoes for serious runners, the social media platform for professors can be good examples. Positioning by competitors. Positioning your brand in relation to a specific competitor or a group of competitors. Examples: the most affordable alternatives to competitor, the most innovative option compared to competitor, the most customer focused choice versus the competitors, and so on. Choosing the right positioning strategy. Consider your target audience. Which strategy will resonate most strongly with your ideal customers? Analyze your competitive landscape. How your competitors position? What gaps exist in the market? Leverage your strengths. Choose a strategy that highlights your unique strengths and competitive advantages. Now let's take a look at case studies and applications. Case studies and application is the hands-on, real-world application phase of the course. It's where you take the theoretical knowledge you have gained in previous modules and put it into practice. Think of it as moving from reading about how to build a house and actually designing and building one yourself. The first case study we're going to take a look at is of Apple. Apple constantly positions itself as a premium brand focused on design, innovation, and user experience. Applications differentiation, sleek design, user friendly interface, strong brand ecosystem, focus on privacy and security. USP think different. Their tagline emphasizes Apple's focus on innovation and challenging the status quo. Positioning strategies positioned by user, target tech savvy individuals and creative professionals. Positioning by benefits emphasizes ease of use and seamless user experience. Positioning by attribute focus on design and innovation. Second case study is of Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines positions itself as the low-cost, high-value airline. Applications differentiations no assigned seating, no baggage fees, and a fun and friendly travel experience. USPs transparency, emphasizing their straightforward pricing and no-frills approach. Positioning strategies positioning by benefits, emphasizing low fares and convenience. Positioning by use, targeting price-conscious travelers and leisure travelers. The final case study is of Tesla. Positioning Tesla positions itself as the leader in electric vehicles, focusing on sustainability, innovation, and performance. Application differentiation, cutting-edge technology, high-performance electric vehicles, sustainable practices, and a focus on autonomous driving. USPs accelerating the world transition to sustainable energy. Positioning strategies, positioning by attributes, focusing on technology and sustainability. Positioning by benefits, emphasizing performance, environmental friendliness, and a futuristic driving experience. Now we're gonna be developing a positioning strategy for a new coffee shop. Scenario: you're opening a new coffee shop in a college town. Possible positioning strategies. Positioning by benefits. The most relaxing study spot on the campus with the best coffee. Positioning by user. To go-to coffee shop for students and professors. Positioning by attributes. Locally roasted beans, handcrafted drinks, and a focus on sustainability. Developing USPs. A daily dose of inspiration. Fuel your studies with the best coffee in town. Coffee with conscience, ethically sourced beans, and eco-friendly practices. Finally, we're gonna be reevaluating the positioning of an existing brand. Scenario: clothing brand known for its casual wear is experiencing declining sales. Re-evaluating positioning. Conduct market research to understand changing customer preferences. Analyze competitor strategies. Consider repositioning the brand as the most sustainable or ethically sourced brand. Develop a new USP that reflects the brand's renewed focus. In today's competitive marketplace, simply having a good product or service is no longer enough. To succeed, businesses must effectively position themselves in the midst of their target audience. This requires a deep understanding of customer needs, a thorough analysis of the competitive landscape, and the ability to craft a unique and compelling brand story. By leveraging the principles of marketing segmentation, competitive analysis, value proposition development, and differentiation, businesses can establish a strong market position, build brand loyalty, and achieve sustainable growth. With this, we have now come to an end. I hope you understand positioning strategies a little better. This is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and thank you for watching.